How to change time zone to East Asia on Color. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change time zone easy and quick. First open BeReal, and now let's go back like that, and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and after that once you're here click these 3 points. Now click time zone, and here we'll find it, East Asia. Now just click on it and click save, and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.